You can go ahead and go. Notice the difference. Let me know what you think. It's probably more efficient with what little power it has now too, with those tires being harder, and it might be less spongy too.
I feel like I'm in a bad spot.
He's riding it pretty good. First time I seen him ride, he had lots of room for improvement. He's not doing too bad.
I wish they had brakes.
It does. We just need to put them on.
Yeah, I like.
But it's better to learn to ride without them first, and then just use them for emergencies, because they'll zap all your power out.
Uh-oh. I was like, that looks like a wreck.
Here, this thing's running, just in case. You don't got to keep it on him or anything. Just stand up if he crashes and run up in.
That's right. It's a lot harder to turn.
first time. Keep him, I ate it. You got it. I don't know if that one got him or not.
Oh my god, my hip.
I'm
up into the air.
You,
I'm tired.
oh my goodness. I hurt myself.
Did you?
Yeah.
I think it come up real high. Where'd you hit yourself at?
On my nuts and my shaft. Both. I thought it was just my nuts, but no, it's both. Oh, man. That clutch ain't all that controllable.
Oh, that was the wheelie thing?
Yeah, that's when I was trying, that first time I tried to launch.
I see.
Oh, when I let out the clutch, I came back down too hard.
You was up like this. Yeah, you was up last time. You was
really
up,
good.
dude.
Oh yeah, that one about got away from me. That that's why I said I quit that.
Where were you putting your feet? Up back here? Up here?
Yeah, I
think I like. Cause that little.
I think I like it better on the. I rode it